How to recall email in Outlook mobile app. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can recall email in Outlook. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to open up your Outlook app and log into your account. Now as you can see, we are now in our Outlook app and we are logged into our account. Now from here, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Once you tap on it, you will see this menu. In this menu, you will see an option called Sent. Simply tap on it. Here you will see all the emails that you have sent from Outlook. So as you can see, these are the emails that I have sent. Tap on any of the email, then tap on the three dots at the top right. And here as you can see, there is no such option to recall your email. So now we will go back to the email. And from here, tap on the trash icon from the top bar. Now from the bottom, you need to tap on undo option as soon as possible. That is the only way you can recall an email in Outlook. And you should keep in mind that there is a 5-second time frame by which you need to tap on undo. Otherwise, there is no such option for you to recall the email. So that is how you can recall email in Outlook mobile app. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And see you next time.